Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Blessing, and today I'll be teaching you guys how you can make a custom header on WordPress without Elementor Pro. If you want to create beautiful custom headers such as this without Elementor Pro, then stay tuned because I'm about to show you exactly how I achieved this. Honestly, this is one of the things I struggled with when I started out as a WordPress developer. Everything seemed restricted on Elementor Pro, and I felt like I couldn't do a decent design without pay. But guess what? I found a solid free alternative, and I'm about to share it with you guys today on this channel because there is no gatekeeping. So let's get straight into it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can keep dropping more of these gems for you guys. This is going to be a very quick tutorial. We need an Elementor free version for this, and ElementsKit is also a free plugin that we can easily install on our WordPress dashboard. You can use ElementsKit for a lot of things on Elementor, but for the purpose of this tutorial today, we'll just be sticking to the header. Let's get straight into it. Go straight to your plugin and add new plugin. To be installing ElementsKit, make sure you have the Elementor free version installed on your website and activate it. To be installing two plugins for this, so let's go to add new plugin. So the first plugin will be ElementsKit, like for this course. So go ahead and install this. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to activate it later. So the next plugin will be a plugin that will allow us to add a nav menu. So just go ahead and search for Jeg Elements. It's actually Jeg Elements. So this is the one that we're going to be using by Jeg theme. Just go ahead and install this. And after this, let's go to our installed plugin and select the both of them. Go to block action, activate, and apply. So you're going to see these options: Jeg Elementor Kit and Jeg ElementsKit. So we're going to go to ElementsKit and go to header and footer. So add new template. Let's just name it header. So type header, condition the entire side, and activate, toggle this on, save changes. After this, go ahead and edit this again and edit content. For the sake of this tutorial, I have provided the resources I used in this video, including the finished template of this video. So all you just have to do is head over to my website if you want to just follow me. Download the resources plus free templates I have used in this video. Just click on download, and this is going to take you to a zip file. All you have to do is download the zip file, and you will have the exact content that I have used for this tutorial. The Elementor page builder, we're just going to go ahead and customize our header here. So first things first is to add a new container. So we're going to rename this for the purpose of being organized. Let's rename this to header section. So we're going to make this direction to row, justify content, space between, and align item center. And go to advanced and unlink the padding, top padding 10 pixel. Then for the right, we're going to give it 30 out of 10, and the left 30 pixel, and add a new container. And we're going to rename this container wrapper, because this is going to wrap our content. Make direction to row, and can just also make justify content space evenly. Let's add an image widget. If you downloaded the file that I told you guys to download, you're going to have this image that I have used for this tutorial. You can just go ahead and download this, or you can use your own logo. Go to style, for the width, make a pixel, and give it 150. Make it 150 pixel. After this, let's go ahead and add the next item. It is just search for now. Jeg Kit that we've done there is going to help us add this nav bar here. So we're just going to go ahead. Go to style, go to menu item style. For typography, we're going to use fig tree. Just search for fig tree. Size, we're going to make it 19 pixel, and width, we're going to make it 500. And line height, we're going to make it 24. Let's make it 24 pixel. So after this, we're going to be adding a button because I want a big button. Call to action button, so we're going to be adding a button. Actually, make sure that this is outside this container. I'm just noticing that. That's the reason why the best way to actually follow me is to look at the structure here. So let's make sure that this button is right inside this wrapper container. So this is what we're going to be having. Actually, just click on this wrapper container, go to layout and align items center. After aligning it center, it will align this perfectly in the center. Go ahead and customize this button. For this is a business website, so I'm just going to have a schedule appointment. So let's go ahead and customize this whole typography. It's already using Open Sans, so I'm just going to leave it as it is and make the size 16 pixel and font weight 600 because I want this bold, and line height 15 pixel is fine. So for the color, I'm already fine with this color, so I'm just going to make this border solid with 1 and radius 10 pixel. And for the padding, first of all, I'll make the padding 11, 17, 11 and 17. So we're going to be having this beach. Actually, I want to make this bigger. I want to make it bigger, so I'm going to make the top 15 and the right 24, then the bottom 15 and the left 24. Perfect. Let's go ahead and go to the hover. So for the hover, I want the text to be my link color, and for the background color, I want it fully transparent like this. The border color, I'm going to give it my link color. So now we'll be having this. Beautiful. After this, let's go ahead and make our header fully responsive. First, go to the laptop. This is looking good in the laptop mode. For the tablet mode, okay, this is what we have. So what we can do is let's go back to our click on this JKit nav menu, and this place that it says responsive breakpoint, let's just turn it to mobile. Exactly, this should come up like this. But now you can see that we need to do some little bit changes. So first of all, select the header container, go to advanced and unlink the padding first and make the left 20 pixel, make the right 20 pixel, and make the top 10 and make the bottom 10. Let's select the button. We need to actually decrease the padding here now. So go to style and head over to the padding. Unlink first, then 10 and 11. So it will be like this. And let's do one thing, go to typography and give this, let's just give it like 14. So, and for this, select the JKit nav menu, go to style, go to menus, item style, and let's go to typography and let's decrease this to 50. After doing this, go to the line height, make it pixel, just give it 15 pixel. So this will be looking like this. Let's see. So this is how it will be looking. Perfect. So I also do one thing. Let's just go to style, and for this, let's give it 100. So it's aligning with this nav menu. I will have this big call to action button. So for the mobile, this is looking good. But for this schedule, for the button, I'll just click on the button and go to advanced and go to responsive and hide on mobile templates. So it will not be shown on the mobile. So let's see what it looks like. This is what our header looks like. Very perfect, beautiful. So that's it, guys. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. And also, if you stuck around to the end of this video, I have a bonus for you. So if you don't want to go through the stress of creating all this, of creating the header and doing all this, I have a solution for you. So all you have to do is just click on this button here, go to my templates. If you downloaded the free resources I shared with you guys on my website, you should see the template and the image. So just go ahead and go to the template, select file, and you have the template here. So just go to template and click on this and just upload it here. After uploading this, you should have this here. So just go ahead and insert, and see you have this beautiful custom header as well. You can just go ahead and just change this image to your brand logo and whatever you want to use there. So let's just switch to this. Select, see, you have this beautiful. Also, I forgot to do one thing here, because I love to give my headers background color. So you can just go ahead and just give it this BG. I have this BG one. So you can also give this one this background color as well. Let's see, background normal, go to BG one. Also have this very beautiful button that I've prepared for you guys here. You can just go ahead and just do your custom changes, and that's it. We're done. We're done. So this is what it looks like. So that's it, guys. If you go back to your website and just refresh, so after refreshing your home page, this header will automatically be added to your home page. You don't really have to do any other special stuff for you to get added here. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.